Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to use a Prezi and how to make the presentations in a very simple way. Today we will learn step by step slowly so you can easily follow along. So let's start. So first of all, let's discuss that what is a Prezi. Prezi is basically an online tool that helps us make our presentations, but Prezi is different from the normal slides. Instead of moving slide by slide, Prezi zooms in and zoom out. This will make our presentation look modern and more interesting. So first open your browser and go to the prezi.com. After that you will have to log in. Since I already have an account, so it takes me straight to the dashboard. Now here on the dashboard you can see the project that we created the earlier. This is an already created project. Now we will create our first presentation. Here you can see the create new button. Just simply click on it. It will show us the two options like create from the scratch or create from the template. We are selecting create from the template because it's easier. Now Prezi will show us all the templates we can choose from. I am selecting this template, but you can choose any template you like. After that it asks us to choose between the public and the private. Public means anyone on the internet can see it, and the private means only the people you share it with. We are selecting the public and then just click on the continue. Now it will open our template. So at first let me explain the Prezi workspace. So on the left side we will see our topics and subtopics. In the center we will see our main canvas where everything happens, and on the top you have our tools like text, images, shapes and colors. Now let's start editing our own content. To change the text, just click on any text box, type your own title, your own points and your own content. So if the template has a picture and you want to replace it, just simply select the image, delete it, then paste any image you want in its place like this. So we can also change the text very easily, like just click on the text, delete the text and write whatever you want. If you want to add another slide between our existing slides, just click on the three dots and then click on add frame. This will create a new frame, or we can say a new slide right between them. So the order of frames is very important because it controls how your presentation moves. If you change the order, the flow of presentation also changes. So make sure your frames are in the correct sequence. We can also change the order of our slides by simply dragging the frame up or down in the timeline. And if we want to delete a frame, just click on the three dots and select remove from the timeline. It will delete that frame. So from here we can add any text or any content to our slides. And from this media button we can add an images, we can create an image using AI, we can add videos, stickers and many more things. And from this shape button we can add these shapes into our slides. So it is the story block section in the Prezi. Story blocks are basically the ready-made content layouts that help us structure information quickly. So instead of creating everything from scratch, we can choose a story block that is already has a nice design and fill in our own content. So to use it, we simply click on insert. Here we will see the different layout like grids, lists, timelines and comparison block. We can also resize and move it anywhere on the canvas, so they help us keep our ideas simple, clear, easy for the audience to understand. After completing your content, click the present at the top. When you choose the start presentation, Prezi will ask whether you want to present with a watermark. This is a free. If you want to present without a watermark, that's quite a paid plan. If you want to download the presentation as a PDF, this is also a paid feature. So here's the presenting view. You can move your slides using the bottom arrow button to go forward or backward. If you want to return to the full canvas, just click on this home button. This will zoom out and take you back to the entire canvas view. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this helped you understand about the Prezi and its feature. So now you can start creating your own presentations.